Okay, so we just laid out the new camper, and I thought I'd show you what we have in mind. This is our diagram we're going off of, our plan, floor plan. And I'll take you through. This is going to be our living area. We put a window there. That will be like a bench seat. We will have hopefully a table there that goes up and down that we don't use all the time, so it doesn't take up space. And swing around by the door here, we will have a closet there, probably floor to ceiling. And this is on the other side of the door. We will have a closet, some kind of closet here to the window. And then next to that, we walk into the kitchen. And this will be the kitchen counter and with the sink. And the window is over the sink. And then we have a peninsula here, which will have our cooktop and maybe our dishwasher. We will have a dishwasher. So this is a kitchen looking out over the seating area. And then go to the opposite wall, and that will be our refrigerator that goes right there. And then leaving the kitchen will be the bathroom. And we will have a sliding door, pocket door right there, that small rectangle. And we'll walk into the bathroom. And this will be, to the left will be the washer dryer unit. And to the right will be our vanity with our sink. And we'll have storage and a mirror up above each unit. And that silver box right there are the wheels, so we have to work around that. And then if we swing around here, that is the shower next to the pocket door. And then the plus sign there will be where the toilet goes. And then next to the toilet will be a closet that will probably be for hanging clothes. And of course here we have the same silver box with that covers up the tires, and no windows in here obviously. So we have another pocket door next to the bathroom closet, and that will close off when we want to go to bed or somebody wants to go in the bathroom. But then we step back into the bedroom. We will have a couple steps up to the floor, and this will be the floor here. This is the floor, and then we have one bed here. We'll have twin beds in this space, and with a window. And then there's going to be a nightstand in between. And then there will be a bed on this side with a window. And then we left space in the back for storage. And the beds will be up in the air, like our former cargo trailer, so that we have some storage underneath the beds. So that's a rough estimate of how the space will look. At least we have an idea of what we can do and what we can't do with it. And we'll take this for now and see how it works.